Hi, it's Amanda Freitag, and welcome to At the Table, sponsored by Stop and Shop. During the summer, I love to eat seafood, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm gonna show you how to make a mahi-mahi sandwich with coleslaw, one of my favorites. But here's the twist. We're gonna make it easy. So let's get started. So here it is, it's delivered to my door, this beautiful mahi-mahi. I'm using this Cajun seasoning, and I'm also gonna use a griddle. You could go on the grill outside, of course, but I'm gonna go heavy with this seasoning. It already has some salt, and it has garlic and onion and paprika and spices that make up that beautiful, wonderful, warm Cajun vibe. Mahi-mahi is high in protein, it's a lean fish, and I love having that for lunch. Isn't that what we want? Also, this lunch makes me feel like I'm on vacation. I always have some kind of fish sandwich sitting by the beach. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit on that griddle, get that nice and hot. Take these gorgeous mahi fillets and put it right there. Yes. And I can already smell the spices cooking, and what happens is dried spices need to wake up, they need to bloom. So the heat and the oil just bloom those spices. And then you get the sense of the delicious Cajun seasoning, which I don't know why, but always in the tropical islands, they use this on all the fish. So again, I feel like I'm on vacation, and this coleslaw I love so much. Stop and Shop has this amazing slaw mix, which makes it easier. I don't have to cut a lot. I added a little bit of celery, some mayo, vinegar, a little bit of sugar, depending on your sweetness level. This is the perfect topper for a sandwich. You can put on the sandwich, put more on the side, however you like. I'm a coleslaw girl, okay? Grew up in Jersey, a lot of coleslaw at the diners. And I love these sesame seed buns. You can use whatever bun you like, but for me, this is the perfect sandwich bun or the perfect burger bun. I'm also gonna just toast these. So on my griddle, I have a hot spot, and then I have a cooler spot. You can absolutely do this on the grill outside as well. Okay, so I cook the fish, which cooks really quickly. And there's nothing easier than this, guys. While the fish is cooking, you can mix up your slaw, throw your buns on the griddle, and that's it. All you have to do is put it together. Okay, our mahi has been flipped over. It has this beautiful sear from that spice crust. And these fillets are nature's promise, the mahi-mahi frozen fillets. And that doesn't mean anything is sacrificed. You have still amazing flavor, and they are sustainable. So I love having these in my freezer for whenever I have that craving. So let's assemble this sandwich. I got that toasty bun. I'm gonna put this piece of fish on. Look at that, I just want it hanging over the edges. Give it a squeeze of lemon. And then the piece de resistance. And then my favorite part, the coleslaw. This is so beautiful too. I love these colors. Red cabbage, green cabbage, a little bit of red onion in there. I'm gonna put that bun on top, and I cannot eat a sandwich, no way, no how, without chips. And these veggie chips are so delicious and addictive. Nature's promise comes through. I love that crunch. I love that color. This is our mahi-mahi sandwich. Perfect summer seafood lunch. And I hope you liked the twist here, because we made it easy. To shop this recipe, go to stopandshop.com/atthetable. Bon appetit!